Hey health enthusiasts, ready to kickstart your day with a burst of energy? Let's make a green smoothie that's not just healthy, but absolutely delicious. Trust me, this is a game changer for your mornings. First, grab a handful of fresh spinach. Spinach is packed with iron and vitamins, and it's the perfect base for our smoothie. Next, add half a frozen banana. This not only sweetens the deal but also gives our smoothie a creamy texture. Yum! Now let's toss in a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics. It'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. For a bit of tang, squeeze in half a lemon. Lemons are great for detoxing and add a refreshing zing. Don't forget a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with fiber, omega-3s and antioxidants. And to sweeten things up naturally, add a teaspoon of honey. Just the right touch of sweetness without the guilt. Now let's pour in a cup of almond milk. Almond milk keeps our smoothie dairy-free and light, plus it's loaded with vitamins and has a subtle nutty flavor. Time to blend it all up. Blend until silky smooth and that beautiful green color pops. Pour it into your favorite glass and voila, your green smoothie is ready to go. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. It's packed with nutrients, tastes amazing, and takes just minutes to make, so start your day right with this healthy green smoothie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy,